Hi, I'm here at the NEC in Birmingham, UK for the Classic Car and Restoration Show, and I've dropped into the auction area to take a look at some performance Fords going under the hammer. Look out for my other videos from this auction, including hot hatch heroes, 4-up Ferraris and lots of Lotus lots. There are no fewer than 51 Fords in this iconic auction sale, with 23 that could be considered as fast Fords. So I can't cover them all, I'll just pick out a few highlights. Let's see what's here. So, Ford Escort Mark I Mexico. Now there are 3 of these to choose from at this sale. Built to celebrate the 1970 London to Mexico rally. So a 16,000 mile rally that was won by Hannu Mikkola. So a 2-door body, Kent Crosslow engine, 1.6 litre, 85 brake horsepower. Has these distinctive stripes and Mexico decals on the sides. And they're built at Ford's Averley Advanced Vehicle Operations plant. So this one, lot 112, this is in Olympic blue, 20 to 25k, and no reserve on this one. So that'll be interesting to see what that does. It's another one of the Mark I Escort Mexicos. This is lot 311, again diamond white with red decals, 30 to 35,000 pounds. So lot 212, another Mark I Mexico, 20 to 25,000 pounds, this one guided. So Mexicos are highly desirable, but there are over 10,000 of them built, so they're not exactly rare. My dad had an Olympic blue Cortina, so probably that's the one I'd choose. Let's see what they sell for. Now onto the Ford Escort RS 2000. There's again 3 to choose from. There's one Mark I and there's 2 Mark IIs. This is Mark II. It's a 2 litre Pinto engine, between 100 and 110 brake horsepower. So this one, lot 116. It's a custom RS 2000 custom in diamond white. This one is guided to 25 to 30,000 pounds. So here's another RS 2000, RS 2000 custom. This is the Mark II. So the standard Mark II Ford Escort looks quite plain compared to the Mark I, but the addition of this sort of droop snoot nose cone made quite a difference to the look of it, made it very distinctive. So this one, lot 318, it's 1980 Mark II, and it's in Venetian red, guided 30 to 35,000 pounds. It's also got here lot 315, this is a 1974 Mark I in Vista orange, that looks really nice. So that's guided at 32 to 36,000 pounds. So this red Mark II would be my pick, but let's see how they do in the sale. So now looking at Ford Escort RS Turbos. There's 4 of these to choose from. All of them were in diamond white, as most of them were. There's 2 Series 1s based on the Mark III, that's like the one on the left, and 2 Series 2 based on the 4th generation Escort, known as either a Mark IV or Mark III facelift. Sometimes you can see pretty much the only difference is that front area, the bumper, the grille. So this particular one, what we've got here, lot 147 is a Series 1. That's guided at 45 to 55,000 pounds. That's won quite a lot of trophies. And this one next to it, lot 365, the Series 2. So that's guided at 18 to 22,000 pounds. So the Mark I or the Series 1 was a 132 horsepower engine and was a sort of homologation special for Group A. And the Series 2 is just a follow-on. Difference, as I said, that front grille also had a water-cooled turbocharger. So this is lot 364, 1986, Series 1 RS Turbo, 35 to 45,000 pounds. Okay, lot 114 looks to be a bit of a garage find with all the dust and grime on it. 1991 Series 2 and guided at 12 to 15,000 pounds. So judging by the estimates, the Series 1s are the most desirable. but the difference in looks are ever so subtle and performance is all but identical. So you'd be forgiven for having a bit of a punt on a Series 2, wouldn't you? So lot 114 guided 12 to 15k looks a bargain, but let's see how they all get on. So Ford RS Cosworth. So these are homologation special collaborations between Ford and Cosworth, and some of the most desirable and celebrated fast Ford models. So there's 3 to pick from in this sale. There's 2 Escort RS Cosworths like this one. This one, lot 180, is a 1992 car. It's in mallard green, guided at 60 to 70,000 pounds. And then there's this one, lot 361, a 1995 car in ash black, guided 45 to 50,000 pounds. So this is lot 182, 1988, black, 80 to 100,000 pounds. One was sold by this auctioneer for nearly 600,000 pounds, including fees. So there's potential for some eye-watering hammer prices on these cars. So let's take a look at how they do. Performance models from Ford continue to be one of the biggest draws in classic car auctions throughout the UK. Those from the late 80s and 90s in particular coming into their sweet spot, with Gen Xers like me earning enough now to afford to buy the car they always dreamed of in their youth. So let me know in the comments which fast Ford you'd like to own. Don't forget to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel for more classic car content. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.